and it's working as you can see. Welcome back everyone to this video in which we are going to add MFG for any GPU to Pragmata. So how to do this? As always, download the files from the website and make sure to download from share mods. Don't download the fake ads. Now we have to get those two. Go to the game main folder. I'm using the demo in this video because I don't own the game, but it's the same. What you have to do, browse local files and just paste here. If you want to use 6 times MFG, you have to download the Streamline files and go here, copy everything back to game folder and replace. I don't recommend the 6 times MFG, but if you want, that's how to do it. When you launch the game, it may stay not responding for a little bit, but then it will work. Wait for it to compile shaders. REFramework have to be there, or the purchased game. You can enable 4 times MFG here. For me, I can't do this because I'm using demo. Now if you press this key in your keyboard, this menu will be opened. Here enable GhostBooster and Reflex Boost, says this to on. Stats bar, let's enable this just for the video, and MFG Override. So you can set this to 6 times. As I said, I don't recommend this, but if you want, just use it. I'm going to go with 4 times and it's working as you can see. The game looks amazing. If you purchase the game, the experience are going to be better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.